Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Amir Khan. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो हैं तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes, you know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है. और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो all my very best. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. Yeah, I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह trailer में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है. And वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was...
Short-term memory loss.
No, we were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes,
And-
wonderful memories here of
And
Gajini.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another, now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, I want to make a 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Gajni too.
Going around. No, actually,
where you heard it first.
We both
This is where
did
you
not
heard
think
it first.
about it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Jay sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Right.
It was such an amazing experience working with Jay, and that got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there. और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहाँ से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया.
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब मैं I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter. At least for me, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. Did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay, all the way to Demachilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Basuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Bunny was.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Bunny
him,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma Swaraj ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So so for the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a,
Just
which
the
we will
mulaqat
save
we
for
can
the
talk
film.
about.
it's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
I think the subject itself is so universal by itself. The story behind what really excited me also as an actor, behind the whole Srikakulam village to Gujarat to Pakistan, behind that is a beautiful love story that Chandu Mondeti has written, and it is that pure love that each one has for each other that kept my character Raju so brave in jail and kept him going through those 2 years and come back in one piece. So that is something that I really found exciting as well. And also he takes you through a journey of love. Love also has a lot of pain in it. So those are some of the moments that he's dealt with really well. How this story of love goes through positivity, pain, and how they come out stronger from it.
Right.
So yeah, that's another angle to it which I really was inspired from.
And of course, the intensity of the character that we saw on the big screen. Of course, romance है, but other than that, you're there. उनकी जेल में बैठे और वहाँ पे जो dialogue बाजी चल रही है, उस समय that angst. Talk to us about it, sir.
Chandru Jepta.
Chandu sir.
He's the right.
Oh, he'll talk. Yeah.
So that angle, I don't know how much to talk about because it's still, we've kept it limited
No
to
worries,
the
sir.
trailer because
No
the whole
worries.
patriotism angle.
Also, I
But-
think it's much more fun to experience the performance, on screen. So we'll do that on 7th.
Done.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.